Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Oracle SQL Developer on Windows operating system, and after that I am also going to show you how to use it for SQL programming. So in my previous videos I have already showed you how to install latest version of Oracle, that is Oracle 26 AI database. So install that first if you want to use SQL Developer for SQL programming. Once you have that, let's see how you can download SQL Developer and install that. So go to your favorite browser, open a new tab and just simply type SQL Developer download. Here you to click on Oracle SQL Developer. That's going to redirect to this page. This link also I'm going to provide right on our video description. Here you to scroll down and you will get this Windows 64-bit that also includes JDK 17. So this is what you need to download. So click on this. That's going to immediately start downloading your SQL Developer. Let's wait for a few seconds over here. And our SQL Developer is now directly downloaded. Click on this folder. Here you can see this is our SQL Developer and the file size is 558 MB. So once downloaded, you need to extract it. So right click and click on extract all. Click on extract. And here you can see that it is rightly extracted over here. So go inside that folder. You will get SQL Developer folder. Again, go inside and you will see all files and folders over here. So all you need to do is you need to go a directory back and you need to select this folder, right click and cut this folder and go to your C drive and just simply right click and paste that folder. There it is. Now you go inside, you will get scroll down and you will get this SQL Developer over here. So just double click on it. That's going to launch our SQL Developer. So here it is rightly opening and it has rightly opened. So here you can just simply click on OK and you can maximize this. So this is the interface of our Oracle SQL Developer. So let's see how you can connect it. So you can click on this plus icon and you can provide a name. I'll just give a name called Oracle 26 AI. You can give any name over here. This is just what you will be saving credentials that you are giving. So give any name you want and then in username, that is very important, into type system, and then in password into type that exact password that I have told you to remember while installing Oracle 26 AI. So I'm going to type that password. Hope you have remembered that same password. That is what you need to provide over here. You can check this save password and after that you can just simply click on test. But you can see that it is showing some error. It is basically telling that SID XC is not registered with the listener at host port 1521. So that is happening because this SID for XC is not registered for this Oracle that we are using, that is Oracle 26 AI. So how to find this SID? For that you can go to search and type CMD to open your command prompt, and within command prompt if you just simply type SNL or CTL then status, hit enter. So that's going to give you the status of listener for this port 1521 and you can see all these different services, right? So from here we are going to use this free one. Just double click on and copy, or you can type that also, totally your wish. So here in SID and to just paste that SID that you are just basically copying it from here, or you can manually type it, totally your wish. And after that you click on test and bingo, success. So now you can click on connect and you are connected to your Oracle database. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly write a simple SQL program and show you how you can run them on SQL Developer. So here is very simple create table command to create your table employee with all this table column. You can see employee ID, first name, last name, email ID and hire date. So select this and click on this run button and you can see that our table employees is created. Let's insert some values to our table. So we are going to select all this and going to click on this run button and you can see that it is showing some error. So what it basically says is literal does not match the format string. So that is because we in SQL or Oracle SQL rather, we can't just directly put date like this. So we need to put it in to date format. So I'm going to just do that. quickly. So now you select all of these and you click on this run button, and you can see all these rows are now inserted. So now as you do select start from employees and click on this run button, and bingo, you are going to get that output on your console. So whatever is there on your table employees is properly fetched. So that's how you install Oracle SQL Developer. You can start working your SQL programming right on SQL Developer. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and join our community. That's going to really help me to make more this similar kind of videos. And if you're interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free, and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.